Hi, it's Tim here at Matchbox Custom Restos, and I'm going to try and detail this little toolbox from the home improvement set, Hot Wheels home improvement set. Got the tools, the carburetor. I need to put some light on this. There we go. Got wrenches, just kind of want to spruce it up a little bit. Like the handles of the screwdrivers, I'll probably just leave red, but the rest of the chrome tools and stuff, and kind of make that look like a Holly carburetor, make it look like it's polished. So basically all I'm going to use is the Molotow chrome and brush and thinner to clean it, so clean the brush. So that's basically the plan. So let me try to get started here, and hopefully I don't screw it up. I've already dropped paint on everything here, so let me clean that up real quick. This is how my day has been going anyway, so didn't get it on the toolbox, but I sure did get it on the mat. I could always have a chrome mat. Be definitely interesting. So I'm going to start with the carburetor. Let's see how we can get her done here. I guess anything I mess up on, I just clean it up. It looks like I'm doing so good so far. Let's see how we can get her here. In order to get this chrome to do what it's supposed to do, make it nice and shiny, you gotta kind of use a lot of it. It's not one of the things that you use that's you dab it on lightly, it's not going to have a chrome effect. So you gotta kind of be heavy with it. So far so good, but I am on one of those bigger pieces, so not too bad. Look at that. Let's move on. Oh, I did miss a spot here. No, I didn't. Thought I missed a spot right there. So let's go ahead and go to this. Come out pretty good. Well, it's not looking too bad so far, so oop, sorry guys, didn't mean to take out the camera there. So let's I guess it'll just be a big handle. It wasn't a real good detail they put there. There's another handle. Oh, the handle looks horrible. I'm going to leave it just due to the fact that there was a lot of detail missing there. Hold on one second here before I get some kind of copyright strike.
Minimum volume.
Alright, there we go. my little radio was making just a little too much racket. So let's go to top of the toolbox here. There's sockets, breaker bar, extension, ratchet. Alright, not looking bad at all now, is it? It's actually giving us some detail, some depth there where you can see what's going on, see what's in there. And let's see if I can just get this screwdrivers. Hey, not bad. There's a pair of pliers or side cut or something. Now, yeah, that don't look bad at all. You can actually see what's there now. Alright, so here is the lock for the box. Handles. Seems like the details are raised up just enough where you can actually do something here. There we go. Yeah, this is coming out pretty good. Alright. Let's go back down to the bottom here. What do we got for tools? Let's see. I'm not sure what those are. I've got a gnat in here somehow. And it's flying around bugging me. Hence the name, Bug. Yeah, I know. I'll get off stage. Another pair of pliers. This is actually coming out better than I thought it was. My original thought it was I was going to have some issues, but it's not as bad as I thought it was. Sorry guys, I don't mean to pull that away where you can't see it. I'm going to dump that. Alright, down to the bottom drawer here. Looks like just random stuff sitting down there, so I'm going to paint it all. That come out a lot better than I thought it was going to. I mean, I seriously, guys, I thought I was going to screw this up really bad. Oh, now I screwed up. Yep. Now that I open my mouth, I'm starting to have some issues here. Believe that? Alright, I'm going to put my eyes up here, and I'll find what I'm looking for. Try to clean that up a little bit. Hopefully I don't mess up anything else in the process. Alright, let's go back to this now. See if I can get them handles done. So far, so good. Make sure you guys can see through the camera. Alright guys, look at that. It's actually done. I'm going to clean my brush. There we go. I'm going to take these off. Alright, so what you see there is the Benford Toolbox from the Hot Wheels kit, Hot Wheels Home Improvement Diorama. It's actually all there. It's done. I mean, other than that little screw up on the handle on the side, everything else came out pretty nice. So there it is. I don't know how much for you can see. I mean, but there she is. Been wanting to do this for a long time, and it is done. I can put it with the rest of the home improvement kit, and that's it. She's done. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, share. It's not going to hurt y'all. I swear it won't. You're not going to get no spam mails or anything. You're just going to get notifications when I'm going to do more of this stuff. A lot more projects that's needing to be done, and you guys, I will catch you on the next video. Thanks for the people that did subscribe and like, watch my videos. I really appreciate y'all. So I'll catch you on the next video.